Your first step is to open your presentation slides. Then go to this website, vocavoo.com, and you're going to hit the record button. The first time you hit it, you have to hit allow in the upper left corner to allow access to your microphone. So for this project, you're going to describe your family members and name them in Spanish. So let's pretend here I have my mom. I would just say, Esta es mi mamá, se llama, and then your mom's name. You hit stop, save, and then you're going to get a link right here. You're going to copy that link. You're going to go back to your slides, and where it says speaker notes, you're going to paste it by hitting Control V. And that's it.